Hey ResCon family and visitors, my name is Dan Song. I'm the pastor here at Restoration. I'm so glad that you're going to be joining us for worship this Sunday. Things will look different and feel different as you come on in. We're going to ask that you wear face masks during the entirety of the service. We'll be socially distanced 6 feet apart during the service. We won't be able to give hugs and handshakes as we would want to. We're going to ask that if you have kids, that they stay with you at your chairs during the entire service. And so things will feel and look different. But I'm still looking forward and so excited to be able to worship together as a church family. So as you look forward to it as well, we just wanted to show you what it'll look like as you come on in to our service. So let's do that. As you approach our front doors, you'll notice blue tape that keeps us 6 feet apart. You'll also notice an usher that'll welcome you in with some hand sanitizing and remind you to put on your masks. If you forget or don't have one, we do have some available that we can provide for you. As you enter the church building, you'll be greeted by an usher that will either direct you in through the 2 doors into the sanctuary or down the hallway to the side doors into the sanctuary. As you enter into the sanctuary, you'll be greeted by another usher that will take you to your seat where you'll be able to sit and worship with the rest of the congregation 6 feet apart. After the benediction is given, we'll ask you to be seated, whereupon an usher will direct you out through 3 exits. Those on the left will be ushered outside through the left doors. Those in the middle section will exit through the main entrance. And those on the left side will be directed through the hallway and out the side doors. We will be asking that fellowship happen outside rather than inside the sanctuary or in the lobby. We're absolutely excited that you're going to be joining us this Sunday.